Hamatuko haetire nigo abagwatani rwase sector ahime ye county ya Kisii babeire bakonyora maigerio chinchira bakorinda enibo yabo kingika ye kyo ni gekerenge kanene kyo murubiri uyo ureho kwenyorera chi insurance aso kurinda enibo yabo anene aso kwegenderia na magima babutambe mo rikizo diboni asanya orobotirwa chinchira yo
Abagwatani kurwa chi sector ao imeye county ya Kisii nigo babere bakonyora amaigerio ne chinchira chyo kurinda enibo yabo anene asokonyora chi license
Anchem yete Evans kibagendi kolega sina insurance regulatory authority wiki yengi maba gusiba minto twabere gaiga egangene nerinya twanyare konyorana n'abantu ku sector mbalimbali bagusi kubaereza na omuhimu gwe insurance n'orori egere ebiasara byeito abana baito batagete education policy na maisha ne policy mbalimbali tunyare ko tebya abantu baito batake advantage
amaigeria yaiga arengeinse yekiombe kya Insurance Regulatory Authority omo Deputy County Commissioner Kisii Joseph Maina ningobona gokero murubiri yoiga asobosemyo uya
the Deputy County Commissioner Kisii County. Today we are having a session with officers from IRA, that is Insurance Regulatory Authority. They have been here all week trying to educate the common populace here in Kisii about the importance of insurance. The transport industry has now been well educated on how they take insurance. IRA has also been able to create partnerships with the local populace. That is, we had organizations like teachers unions, KUPPET, NAT, the business community, civil servants, stakeholders like the Ministry of Interior. They have been able to partner with them so that the populace in Mashinani can be educated on the importance of having a security, an insurance policy.
Semujende ni gabange babere bagusirie nibo yabo asugotanyora obumanyi boisaine.
This is one of the platforms that we use to ensure that we promote the development of the insurance sector. We understand that the insurance uptake is still so low, and one of the gaps that we noticed as an authority is that maybe it's just lack of proper knowledge and awareness around insurance. So we hope that by the end of this program in Kisii County, where we have met more than 320 stakeholders from different groups.
Engana bono omurubiri yoiga orache gokonya abananchi asogotugekera enibo yabo kurinde talia sokonyora sara.
So we believe that at the end of this session, people will be able to take insurance policies and the general populace will be better protected. And they will also have savings.
Insurance igero paka none yengo insurance paka yepikipiki insurance paka ye chibando nyogo usimega chibando naboko oko insure nganye nchi komena so insurance igebwati product nyingi
kurega se county ya Kisii letara na igongoro kwa Dipon Asanya.